Are you going to run around on the grass?
How about getting some warm clothes on first?
Hi, I'm taking a little video. How are things poolside?
Well, we're relaxed. It's warm and sunny. Another blue sky day. I tell you, it's hard to take, but we're suffering through it.
I'd say it was extreme bliss myself, and I'm happy to be part of it.
You're happy to make it happen.
Participate in the French Riviera. Yeah.
You're happy to finance it.
Well, it's worth it all.
We put that away.
Hello?
Hello?
Oh, okay. Oh, Sophie, you're cold. You know what?
Hello? Hello?
We've got to put our little clothes on. I think somebody's cold.
Yeah, after the phone call.
After the phone call. Hi, baby. Hello. Looking good, Mr. Hawaiian Tropic. Yeah, Sophie's got to get some clothes on. Oh, it's another lovely day. Hello?
She's shaking with cold.
Yeah. All right.